September 20, 2017. Hurricane Maria struck Puerto Rico with 155-mile-per-hour winds, devastating the island and plunging all of its 3.4 million residents into a desperate humanitarian crisis. It was the third strongest storm to make landfall in U.S. history.
It was one of these sort of apocalyptic scenes you see in the movies. There's no cars around, no people around. There were trees falling down. I mean, it was quite scary. I was able to return back to the lab and to the hospital, I think probably on Monday of the following week.
First night we have contact with our family, and since the hurricane, 5 a.m. of the hurricane day, I was talking with my niece and we lost communication. And then 3 days more in the hospital, we can't get out, anybody can go in. Was very desperate, very anxious. Anybody know anything about their family? There was no communication at all. I think that was the hardest part. The hospital was very, I need to say it because they treat us so well. The laboratory all got flowed down. The equipment of chemistry lost a lot of parts because the ceiling was falling down.
I'm the first line response of the lab. I don't have signal, I don't have communication with nobody. It's very difficult in this situation, beginning a work when I don't have electricity, water, but I begin.
Cuando venía de camino para el hospital, el desastre que había en la carretera. Yo empecé a llorar, yo vine todo el camino llorando. Llegué a mi trabajo llorando. Yo decía, ¿qué es esto, Dios mío? Es traumático. Yo entiendo que todo el mundo pasó unos días horribles.
Because I just had a newborn child by the time, and little I know of, but he was asthmatic. So he spent more than a month hospitalized.
The morning after Maria hit, pathologist Lurmag stood on her balcony in a desperate attempt to get a signal. Her thoughts were not for herself, but about the patients who would be in need of diagnostics and the laboratory. She sent desperate pleas to several US-based pathology and laboratory medical organizations.
And we were so lucky that the ASCP responded from that very first email saying that they were there to help us out. And we've been in contact ever since, trying to see the areas in which we could help. The best line of assistance was trying to bring equipment for those community groups that were going into the communities in the central areas of the island that still didn't have much communication. ASCP is the only organization that has reached out and giving us support through financial aid and laboratory supplies. And so we thank you for being there.
So thank you, ASCP Foundation, for the relief grant to me and my son and my family, really, really.
I really appreciate this initiative. I thanks a lot the ASCP Foundation.
The ASCP Foundation has also provided more than 65 personal emergency relief grants to laboratory professionals and pathologists whose lives were forever changed by Maria. Their courage and dedication are an inspiration to us all.